I just really can't express what it's like to see your child part of this ensemble playing at this level. These are ordinary children, and the program brings the best out of them in a way that you just cannot believe these are elementary school children playing.
It was amazing. I couldn't believe all those kids are elementary school aged. It was just beautiful.
Well, we remember her first starting violin a few years ago, and it's just amazing how far she's come.
Yes.
You know, we've heard her practice at home, but seeing her with everybody else just looks so professional. It's very impressive.
It's great. Couldn't believe it. It's unbelievable.
It was speechless. I was spellbound with the music. They've done a really good job. Practice a lot. That's what it shows today.
Amazing.
It was great. Awesome,
Yeah.
beautiful.
A
Yeah.
lot of hard work. So proud of all our children to accomplish this.
Performance was absolutely fantastic. I loved every moment. The kids were great, and it's shocking that they're only elementary school.